everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a quick clean with me. We're going to clean my formal living room because this is where my kiddos keep a lot of their toys. From the time that they were really little, when they would come over to my in-laws house, when they would be babysat during the day, during the week when my husband and I were at work, they would use this formal living room as somewhat of a playroom. But now that we actually live here full time, we keep most of their toys in the basement and a few of their toys upstairs. And so I wanted to make sure that it was clean and tidy upstairs because it was just becoming a really big mess. I started by dumping out all the toys on the floor and creating 3 separate piles: garbage, recycle, and keep. Part of the recycle pile is also going to be donation. A lot of these toys are in really good shape, and so I thought that there would be lots of kids who could get some use out of them. Sorting everything, I'm going to get rid of this mat because they don't really need it anymore. They're quite a bit older, and so they're not really making a mess with crayons and stuff like that on the carpet. I did buy this bench from Amazon. I'm going to use it as a toy box, but also it's going to become a decor piece for the living room. This furniture piece was actually quite inexpensive on Amazon. If you're interested, just leave a comment down below and I can send you the link. I actually thought it was going to be so much harder to put together. I even had my toolbox ready on the side. Luckily, it was basically just a pop-up piece of furniture. However, it can hold up to 600 pounds on the bench. At least that's what the description said. Out of all the toys that I decided to keep, I'm only going to keep a portion of that upstairs in this toy box. The rest of them I'm going to put in the basement with the rest of the kids' toys, just so that the main floor of the house, which is kind of my in-laws' domain, doesn't become crazy overwhelmed with toys. Are all put away and the floor is all cleaned up, I decided that I'm going to go ahead and restore this formal living room to its former glory. We had put all the pillows away, covered up the coffee table. You can actually see it on the right hand side. When the kids were little, like I said, my in-laws used to babysit them during the day, and we were worried that they would get hurt on some of this furniture, so even these side tables have corner protectors on them. Now that the twins are 6, we feel like it's a good age where they don't really need to have all this protection in the living room anymore, and so that my in-laws can kind of have it back to the way that they had it before the kids were born. And this is the final product. Isn't the natural light just so gorgeous in this room? Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.